Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. Now I'm going to show you how to make a watermark on CapCut. Now this is relatively easy. All we need to do with a blank canvas like this is come up to the top here, select text, drag any text onto the timeline. Now we'll just type out watermark. Then you want to come to animation and you want to scroll all the way down until you find this rotate here. You can adjust the speed. I recommend 1.5 seconds. And then we can make the watermark slightly bigger. Now the second step is come back up to the text section, drag another default text onto the timeline, and let's type out again watermark. Let's make this smaller and put it in the middle of the rotating watermark we've just made. Now what you want to do is select export. We can name this watermark and then press export. Now I've typed watermark on our watermark. You can put whatever text you wish. So now our watermark is saved. Now we can drag it into our media library of CapCut. So now we can add a video what we want to add a watermark to. So let's add this lady doing yoga. Now let's drag the watermark on top. Now as you can see, it's all black. So on the right hand side here, come to video, basic, then come down to blender. And the mode, you want to select screen. You can change the opacity if you want it to be slightly lighter and more see-through. And now as you can see, the watermark plays in the bottom corner. You can drag the watermark for more of the video if you wish. So that's how to make a watermark on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.